The Gantt project schedule shows our process of the elaboration of the model. At this stage, we have done in the model 1 or 2 extra days according to the schedule, but the work is at time and with the calculation of the delivery dates. The first activity was the written document about the model and the theory of the project, and then we have the creation of the model. The first model changed the use of cold porcelain mesh to a textile model. This because the mesh weighed too much for the waistcoat, and the textile model is a lighter and colorful. First, we show the theoretical skills of the digestive system and then the process of the creation of the model.
To organs in the digestive system. Esophagus. The bolus, chewed food, travels from the mouth to the stomach via esophagus. Stomach is a large muscle sac that continues with the digestion. This means that the stomach breaks down the food. Small intestine. It is the organ in which the digestion takes place in a major way. It absorbs the nutrients by the microbiome. Pancreas, a gland that makes three important functions: regulate blood sugar levels, break down proteins, and produce bicarbonate, a base that neutralizes the stomach acid. Liver and gallbladder produce bile, a fluid with lipids and salts. Also, bile breaks up fats into smaller pieces. And large intestine absorbs water as undigested material.
The chemical process and the chemical reaction of the digestive system.
First chemical process involved in the digestive system is into the mouth, produced by the saliva that contains an enzyme called amylase that begins the break of chemical bonds in the starches forming sugars. Another enzyme is the lysosome. It fights infection of many bacteria. The lining of the stomach contains gastric glands. Some of these produce hydrochloric acid. Another produces pepsin that breaks proteins into smaller polypeptide fragments. In the stomach also exists a gland that produces mucus that lubricates and the most part of chemical digestion occurs in the small intestine. When chyme enters the duodenum, it mixes with enzymes and digestive fluids from the pancreas and the liver. Pancreas produces enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid. It also produces sodium bicarbonate that neutralizes stomach acid. The liver also works in the digestive system. It produces bile. It breaks up the globs of fat into smaller droplets that disperse in the watery environment of the small intestine. Next step is the large intestine, where the water is absorbed quickly across the wall of the intestine, leaving behind all the materials that the body cannot digest. At the end, everything that the body did not use is eliminated from the anus in form of feces.
Sit down and take it easy. Don't get stressed by your life. Trust in a little synchronicity. You know everything will be alright. You've gotta jump in the river, go floating with the stream. You're gonna make it if you dream. Nobody said life was easy, and sometimes it feels so hard. Nobody said life was easy. Forget about the money, you don't need the money. Be open to magic, to chances blowing in like the wind. Don't be afraid when the bell rings. Just open the door and let him in. Oh yeah, you gotta roll with the changes. Don't swim against the tide. Embrace it with your arms open wide. Nobody said life was easy, and sometimes it feels so hard. Nobody said life was easy. Forget about the stream, you're gone.